Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to learn how to use the basics of Python. In this video, you will program your first program ever. First of all, I would like to explain to you the difference between running a script in Python and the Python interpreter. I will explain to you two methods for running a Python script. The basic one with a terminal and the second one with an editor. In my case, I use the editor Atom, while it works fine to me for other duties at my work. Let's start with the terminal use of Python. The Python interpreter comes in every Python installation. The way to run this is to locate yourself in the search button, in the lower left position location in Windows, and search for the command cmd. The command prompt will open, and we will call Python programming language. If you have not installed Python, please refer to that video. You can find it in our video list. The way to call Python is writing the word Python, and press enter. Python loads after the instruction. In this case, we can see that the Python version that we have installed is version 3.8, one of the most recent versions of the programming language. We will start to write our first program ever in this terminal session. Python command to print displays anything you want. Therefore, we use print, and inside the instruction we write hello words. Print hello world and press enter. Congratulations, you have written your first ever program in this terminal session. If you're wondering why we print hello world for our first program ever, it's because it's believed that the first program ever should be written with hello world, as this will bring you luck when learning how to program. Therefore, this is a standard basic first program in every programming language. Until now, we have been using Python in a terminal session. This works only for basic Python commands. We will start now to run Python programs from scripts which run one command after the next one. Similar way you wrote your first hello world program. To run scripts, we need to create our script in an editor. In my case, I am a user of Atom, which fits my needs not just for Python, also for other duties I need to tackle every day. However, I will show you first how to run a script from a notepad file, which I believe is the text editor that everyone has access to when they do not want to download Atom. Afterwards, we will go to Atom. You have to locate yourself in the search button in Windows, lower left location. Write Notepad and open the program. As soon as you are inside, you can start to write your first lines of code. In this case, let's start with the same program from before, hello world. Let's write print hello world. In this step, we have to say, hey guys, please subscribe to our channel. Remember that you have to activate the bell, which is here downstairs. Comment in the box, because for us it's important. Do it. Save the script with the name we want to find it in our computer, or the name we want to have for our script. In my case, I will name it helloworld.py. You can try the name you want. The file should always have the .py in the file name. With this extension, we will indicate it is a Python script. Remember that you have to place the file in a folder that you know exists. In my case, I will save it in the location where is my user. A good tip for starting a new program is to place the file in the documents, for example. We have now to go again to search the button in the lower left part of the Windows and write cmd. We will open the terminal. In this case, we will not run the Python interpreter. We will find first our file as we save it. It was in our user location, and we see here that we are in our user location. Therefore, we can print the documents that exist here with the command dir. And there you go, the file is right away here. This file location is a crucial step. Python does not run a script if you are not in the folder location of your file. In this case, we are precisely where the file helloworld.py locates. To run the first program, first we have to call Python, and afterwards write the name of the script, Python helloworld.py, and press enter. Congratulations, you have run the first program Python script, and I am sure this Hello World program will give you the luck you need. Hey guys, you did it till here. In this section we will do it everything easier. We will start to install Atom, which is the text editor that I'm using normally for my normal duties. So first of all, we have to write Atom, and then it's normally the first option, Atom Editor. You have to click it, and afterwards the web page will automatically detect your Windows version. After you click download, the Atom will start to download. After you wait a while, because we press pause, Atom will be launched after it's installed. Now we are here in Atom. This is a crucial step because we want to integrate our terminal. So we look for packages in the installer and we write terminal. All these options that you are watching here are the terminal options that Atom has. You can install any terminal you want. But for me, the terminal that I'm normally using is this one because it has a huge amount of users and also it's up to date constantly. Then you have to click in the install button and the platform will automatically install or download. Now when you see here the plus sign, it means that the terminal is already installed in our Atom editor. If you guys want to, I don't know, beautify your code, highlight your syntax when you are programming in Python. For example, I'm using Kite. Kite is an editor helper which is supporting you when you are writing Python code. So I'm inviting you to check and to install what you want. So this step is similar to the previous one. We have to create a new file. In this case, we open an empty file and we have to save the file in a location that we know. In this case, as we are going to work with Atom constantly, I've decided to save in the Free Data Scientist, in the folder course, and afterwards in Python Basics. After I locate this folder, I will save my file with the name that I want. In this case, let's say helloworld.py. And then I press enter. And as you see, in the upper part of this file, it's already written hello world.py. We have to open our console with the plus sign. As the console is open, now we have to find the location of our file. As you can see, you can extend even the length of your terminal. So in this case, as we are in Free Data Scientist, we have just to find the location of the file. In this case, it's CD courses. And afterwards, we have to find the CD Python Basics, which is here. So we write CD Python Basics and press enter. And there you go, we are inside. When we press dir, we find that hello_world.py is there. So we can run our program. Let's start now to create some lines of code. Let's stay attached to the same example as before. Let's say print hello world. And then we have to save it. Of course, because if it's not saved, it will not run anything. We have to call our program, as always, Python helloworld.py and press enter. And there you go. The hello world result, it's appearing there. Congratulations. I know, it's super easy to use a text editor. In this last section, we will cover the commenting part in Python. Every programming language, when more complicated, should be documented or commented. In Python, the comments are made with the hashtag symbol. This is really helpful and useful when our code gets more complicated. In our previous examples, we have just written lines of code, therefore we have now to comment it. We will start commenting out the script with our hashtag and afterwards Free Data Scientist. As you can imagine, everything after the hashtag symbol will be ignored when you run a program. Therefore, this line will be ignored. However, the most useful part of comments is to indicate something that the person who reads your code needs to know, or something that you need to remember. If we run the script, as in the example, you will realize that the Free Data Scientist text was not printed. Let's now create a variable called grade. Inside, we place hello world and print the variable grade. Hey guys, please remember to visit our webpage because in there you can find all these scripts. Everything is for free. Before we run the script, we comment the previous print instruction and we open the terminal. We indicate Python helloworld.py and press enter. The terminal displays the values of the variable grade. But now, if we uncomment the previous print instruction and run it again, we will see that we get twice the hello world string. Congratulations, you know how to use Atom now. In the next video, we will start now to talk about variables and get into programming. I hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and visit our website